Welcome to a new episode of my historical recipes. And for today I have chosen a rather simple and light dish, a vegetarian dish, from a 13th century Egyptian cookbook called Kanz. We have carrots that I have already blanched for a couple of minutes in salted water. And we have leeks with which I did the same. This one here is tahini, the sesame paste that you probably know from hummus, for example. Then I have honey, I have vinegar, and I have a spice mix that is a little bit mysterious. It's called Atraf Tib. And we don't really know what exactly went into Atraf Tib, or rather there are so many different variations that it remains a little unclear what was the exact definition. What I used here in this mixture is nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, rosebuds, bay leaves, ginger and black pepper. Some recipes for Atraf Tib simply say use the usual or the common spices. Great. So I hope that this is a true reconstruction of Atraf Tib. Now we start cooking by quickly frying the already blanched vegetables in some oil. Meanwhile, we will prepare the sauce. We will liquefy the tahini a little bit with some hot water. And the hot water also allows the sesame aroma to evolve. Now we add a little sip of vinegar. And some honey. And last but not least, the spice mixture Atraf Tib. Now I add the roasted carrots to the sauce. And repeat the same thing with the leeks. Now we add the leeks as well. And we stir it gently. I would serve this as an accompanying dish to rice.